Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Monroeville local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to find and hire the best cheap Monroeville moving company? 3 Movers offers all the right professionals to make your move simple and easy. We help you with your local or long-distance move, whether it's for a home, business, or anything else. Our team can assist you in moving anything you own. We provide you with all the right long-distance moving options, including packing services. Choose to let us do the packing and focus on all the other things you need to do when relocating. Moving supplies. Pack up on your own and we can provide the right moving supplies and packing materials for you. An on-time move. Hire us and we will make sure you're not delayed on moving day. Upfront pricing. A quote from us gives you transparent pricing with no surprise costs. Licensed and insured. Your belongings are fully protected with our professional movers. We give you the help you need when relocating 100 miles away or further. Our team of professional movers offers the help you need to get rid of some of the moving stress. Long-distance moves are hectic and have a lot of moving parts. Let us make it easier for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Monroeville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.